How to get untradeable cards in Bingo Blitz. So what are untradeable cards? Untradeable cards in Bingo Blitz are special collection cards that cannot be gifted or traded with other players. These cards are often essential to completing collections and unlocking big rewards. First, play limited time rule. Most untradeable cards come from special event or city rooms. Keep an eye on the rotating room list. Some tradable cards only drop during specific time. Second, open special card package. You can earn untradeable cards from daily spin. Third, participate in events. Board completion reward. Untradeable cards are often part of progress reward. So, the more you participate, the better your odds. You cannot request or gift untradeable cards. If you miss them, you will have to wait for them to come back in the future events or promos. And that's how you get untradeable cards in Bingo Blitz. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.